When you're designing your dream bathroom or just finally upgrading that old, inefficient fixture, having the right throne can make all the difference. Imagine a fixture that offers a warm seat on a cold morning, provides a cleansing wash instead of just dry paper, and even deodorizes the air for you. The best smart toilets out there combine cutting-edge hygiene, incredible comfort, and sheer technological brilliance. The whole package. They transform a daily routine into a personalized spa-like experience that you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Now, before we dive into the best options, use our links in the description below to land on the latest discounts and coupons for every product we talk about. Here we go. Number 5. The CANEST TC 100G Smart Bidet Toilet. Best for value-packed entry. Finding a smart toilet that doesn't compromise on features for a reasonable price can feel impossible. But that's where this unit stands apart. The CANEST TC 100G combines a warm water bidet, a heated seat, a warm air dryer, and multiple flushing options into one incredibly user-friendly design. What helps the CANEST achieve this is its upgrade pump-assisted flush system. Unlike many tankless toilets that require strong, stable water pressure, this pump provides a powerful solution for homes with low or unstable pressure, ensuring a reliable flush every time. It offers instant warming comfort with 5 levels of adjustable temperature for the seat, the water, and the air dryer. It also features a self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle for hygienic and customizable cleansing, making every visit a fresh experience. For well under $600, often on a limited time deal, you get a surprising amount of utility and certification from UL and CUPC for peace of mind. This makes it an unbeatable gateway into the world of smart bathrooms. Number 4. The Bazyths ZY695A Smart Toilet. Best for automatic convenience. Value is great, but sometimes you want a toilet that does the thinking for you. That's where this Bazyths model delivers the goods. It's an excellent smart toilet option with a fully automatic lid that opens when you approach and closes automatically 2 minutes after you leave. The built-in internal tank is a unique feature that solves the problem of low water pressure completely, allowing it to operate under even 0 water pressure using a pressure-assisted system. Another strong point is its powerful warm air dryer with a full 4 temperature settings, from room temperature all the way up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. You also get the convenience of a remote control and a thoughtful nightlight for those late-night trips. For users who want their bathroom to feel like a futuristic spa with every interaction automated, this stands out. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it model for a truly hands-free routine. Number 3. The Ihatit ISD 10 SE Smart Toilet. Best for power and hygiene. There's something to be said for a toilet that offers raw flushing power and next-level cleanliness. The Ihatit Smart Toilet excels here. Crafted with a built-in tank and pump that delivers an impressive 1,000 gram MAP flush score. Its wide 2.17-inch waste pipe ensures clogs are a thing of the past, making it tough enough to handle anything. But its standout feature is undoubtedly the advanced foam shield. This function creates a blanket of foam on the water's surface before you go, preventing all unsightly splashes and odors. A huge upgrade in daily bathroom hygiene that outshines many competitors. It also includes a blackout flush function, ensuring reliability even during a power outage, which is a critical fail-safe many models overlook. We like this one a lot. It's the workhorse of the list, built for power and unparalleled cleanliness. Number 2. The Alphabath BS002 Smart Toilet. Best for premium health features. For those who appreciate next-level innovation and premium health-focused materials in a daily fixture, the Alphabath BS002 is in a class of its own. This isn't just a toilet, it's a wellness appliance. It starts with an integrated water filtration system that reduces chlorine, rust, and sediment, providing cleaner, gentler water for sensitive skin. A total game-changer for personal hygiene and nozzle longevity. Its unique healthcare wash mode offers warm and cold water massage cleaning to stimulate blood circulation, providing a gentler and more therapeutic clean than any standard bidet. The industry-leading 360-degree TSUNAMI flush generates a powerful vortex with a 1,000-gram MAP score while being WaterSense certified to save water. Furthermore, its smart sensing automatically opens, closes, and flushes, offering a completely touchless experience that maximizes hygiene. A premium experience, worth every dime. This is the model for the health-conscious buyer who wants the absolute best in water purity and innovative features. Number 1. The HOROW HRT38 Artistic Smart Toilet. Best overall package. Topping our list is the model that best combines powerful performance, elegant automation, and thoughtful design into a single stunning package. The HOROW HRT38 is our top pick because it simply does everything exceptionally well. Its core strength lies in its solution for low water pressure. A built-in water tank and pump that bring efficient and powerful flushing performance. Like a caring concierge, the toilet features an auto open and close lid that senses your movement, enthusiastically opening for you and gently closing when you leave. The built-in bidet is like a meticulous cleaning expert, with a gentle stream that provides a spa-like relaxation experience. It also features a warm air dryer and a heated seat with multiple temperature settings, ensuring comfort in every season. We have to conclude that the HOROW HRT38 doesn't just surpass expectations. It straight up becomes the centerpiece of a modern, luxurious bathroom. Its perfect blend of brute force functionality and elegant, user-friendly automation makes it our top choice and the complete package. So, if you're ready to transform your bathroom into a haven of comfort and cutting-edge technology, any one of these top-tier smart toilets is the perfect place to start. Remember, using the links in the description below is the best way to secure the latest Amazon deals and discounts we've found for you. Your support through those links helps us bring you these thorough reviews at no extra cost. Thanks for watching, and here's to your next upgrade. You've earned it.